Hey there, this is Brian Buchanan bringing you a quick tutorial on the use of Mentimeter for image interpretation. So I've sent you a companion presentation which has the basic slide set, the basic images and associated interpretation. That slide set is replicated within this online environment. So first off, I'll open this for you in the day of the course. Starting the first slide, if you press present on the top right corner here, it goes into presentation mode. You'll have this screen. If you press return, you'll go back to the main menu. If you press F, it will take you to full screen mode. You can advance with the arrow keys back and forth, or you can use the screen toggles shown here. Here's the basic instructions. So each participant will be asked to go to www.menti.com on their cellular phone web browser and put in the following code. This presentation will be essentially replicated on their cell phone, including videos. That way everyone can see exactly what's on the screen. The basic layout of this online format is a series of 3 slides. And so what the basic layout is, the first slide shows a large image and a question. The second slide will show the actual question, which is the polling question. It's also possible this question is in the form of free-form feedback, where individuals will be asked to type in a free-form text. This just helps to break up the session between multiple choice and open feedback. It helps to further engage participants in terms of what they're thinking and how you should be targeting your interpretation and discussion. And then the third slide will show the image interpretation slide. So that basic sequence repeats itself throughout the entire online presentation. I have included the occasional educational slide for further discussion and interpretation. For example, a slide on what foreshortening of the apical forechamber looks like to help enhance the understanding. So let's go ahead and try this first series of 3. So here's this image shown, this clip. Again, this will be replicated on the participants' cell phones. We'll advance to the question. If individuals fall behind, all they have to do is refresh their web browser. So what I will do here is I will log on to the online format here, and I'll pick a random username. It shows me here. It'll show the number of participants in the bottom right corner. If you start the countdown, then it'll give you 10 seconds. This video will not be replicated on the individual cell phone. That's the reason why the first image clip is shown in a greater image format. And so these 3 choices will be shown on the individual cell phone, and they can pick from one of the 3 choices. So we'll pick here. Once everyone votes, the polling closes. It shows the distribution of votes. If you go to leaderboard, it'll show who in fact is leading in that case. So from here, you cannot bring up the image again on this slide, so you just advance to the next slide. Again, which shows the image again with an interpretation and of course for further discussion. So individuals can also select hearts if they enjoy this slide, which you'll notice quite a few hearts pop up during your presentation as well. So in this case, this is just an example of an educational slide. There are really no questions on these slides. They're really just to help to enhance key points and to stimulate further discussion. So that's basically it. That's the kind of the full review of Mentimeter. It's relatively straightforward, but please, I'd encourage you to forward any questions you have, or you can ask me on the day of the conference. But thank you for listening. Bye-bye.